Badlands Sasquatch. This is the version of this one, guys, and it's a beautiful, beautiful Bronco 2024 black leather, guys. Actually, this is the problem. It's not even leather, guys. This is synthetic. Welcome, 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 welcome. And we have the car of the day, guys. Guys, this is gonna be a 2024 Ford Bronco, and today it's only heaters. And you know, we don't have the cheap heater than other companies use. This is our special carbon fiber heater, which is a lifetime guarantee. This one doesn't fail. So we have our 2 stages relay here and our switch, double stage, beautiful switch. And again, guys, this is just heaters for this 2024 Bronco. When people get a little bit more luxurious, they get the degrees, which is our top of the line product. You know this. We have a cooling and heating, 3 settings. And it's a ventilated way to be very cozy in your vehicle, so you can get cold in the summer and you can get heat in the winter, because you don't want to be shivering in your car, right, guys? But if that's too much, you just do what our client right here did, is get the heaters, and not just any heater, guys, carbon fiber heaters by LeatherTeck at Upholstery technology. And let's take a look at the car, guys. This is a beautiful 2024 Bronco. This is the Badlands Sasquatch, guys. Let me show you here. Woo! Badlands Sasquatch. This is the version of this one, guys. And it's a beautiful, beautiful Bronco 2024 black leather, guys. Actually, this is the problem. It's not even leather, guys. This is synthetic. That's horrible, but that's how it came out of the dealer. And in this case, the client, they just want to get warm. Because of that, they brought it to us so we can do heating in these things, because the dealer not even offer it when it comes from factory. So they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg just to put your heaters. So talk to us, guys. We can do this for you in a way that is not gonna break the bank. Very affordable, guys. So this is a beautiful interior in plastic. It needs leather, but that will be the future, maybe. Now I'm black. This is the rear, guys. This is what they do in order to compete with the Jeep. The very first versions were horrible. I think they're doing better now. They fix all the horrible things that didn't work in these vehicles. They're getting way better. And guys, you know, you can do a transformation in your vehicle. You want leather for sure. You don't want this synthetic plastic. No, no, no. You want leather in your car, guys. So LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com is offering you a factory match, which is going to be exactly like this, but in real leather. Or you can get a custom design. You can do it any way you like. We have over 60 different colors and combination contrast stitch. Piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycombs, and many, many others, guys. You want exotics, ostrich, alligator, swayskin, you name it. We have them at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery technology. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com. Because, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. We have been showing you that. And when it comes to your heater, well, guys, in this case, this is good enough for now. We know the client is going to come back for the leather later on. But as for now, this is what we're going to be doing. So let me show you these switches, guys. Normally we put them here. And we put another one over here. Well, actually, in this case, because these tend to crash, we're going to put them in there. And because it's an aftermarket product, guys, it cannot be wired into the vehicle system. And same for the degree system. That's the only difference in the product, but it's still very practical. So if you leave it on, every time you turn on your vehicle, your car seat will be warm. By the time you get into it, your seat will be to temperature, so you don't have to suffer the cold. And that was it, guys. Like and subscribe. If you have a question, please put it in the comments. Visit LeatherTeck.com. We have a lot to offer for you guys when it comes to luxury, when it comes to get rid of the ugly, stinky, and in this case, fake leather. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery. Thank you, guys, and I see you in the next project.